In today's competitive digital landscape, businesses need to connect with their customers in a highly personalized and engaging manner, whether through mobile apps, emails, push notifications, SMS, WhatsApp, or social media. Brands that create seamless and data driven customer interaction stand out from the competition. MoEngage is an AI powered customer engagement platform that helps businesses automate marketing campaigns, personalize customer experiences, and drive retention across multiple touchpoints. Whether you're a startup, an e commerce platform, a SaaS company, or a large enterprise, MoEngage enables you to analyze customer behavior, send hyper targeted messages, and optimize engagement strategies in real time. This tutorial will cover the key features of MoEngage, its benefits, why it's a great choice for businesses, and how it can help you enhance your marketing strategy with AI driven automation and predictive analytics. So, for its key features and benefits, first is its omni channel customer engagement. MoEngage enables businesses to communicate with their customers through multiple channels, including push notifications, in app messages, emails, SMS, WhatsApp, and social media. By creating unified and consistent messaging across all platforms, businesses can ensure their audience receives timely and relevant content, leading to increased conversions. This engages customers across various channels seamlessly, improving customer retention and brand loyalty. Another key feature is the AI powered customer segmentation and personalization. With its AI driven segmentation capabilities, MoEngage helps businesses group customers based on their behavior, demographics, interests, and engagement history. This allows marketers to send hyper personalized messages that align with each user's preferences and needs. Personalization boosts engagement and conversions, leading to a higher ROI on marketing campaigns. Another key feature is the customer journey orchestration and automation. MoEngage provides a visual workflow builder that helps businesses design automated customer journeys. This feature ensures that users receive the right content at the right time, whether it's a welcome email, abandoned cart reminder, or a re engagement message. So, this reduces manual marketing efforts and increases efficiency by automating engagement workflows. Another key feature is the predictive analytics and AI driven insights. The platform's predictive analytics help businesses anticipate customer behavior, potential churn, and future interactions. MoEngage's AI model can suggest optimal times for messaging, recommend product promotions, and adjust engagement strategies dynamically. This improves decision making and marketing accuracy by providing data driven insights. Another key feature is the A B testing and performance optimization. MoEngage allows businesses to test multiple variations of marketing messages, notifications, or email campaigns to determine which version performs best. Marketers can analyze engagement metrics, click through rates, and conversions to optimize future campaigns. This helps businesses fine tune their marketing strategy for better results and improve customer experience. Another key feature is the seamless integrations with third party tools. MoEngage integrates with popular CRM platforms, analytics tools, e commerce platforms, and data warehouses like Salesforce, HubSpot, Mixpanel, Segment, Google Analytics, and Shopify. This allows businesses to have a centralized view of their customer data for more effective decision making. This ensures businesses have data synchronization and workflow automation, reducing manual data entry and inconsistencies. So, why is MoEngage a great choice? MoEngage stands out as a top tier marketing automation and customer engagement platform in 2025 due to its AI powered automation, advanced segmentation, and omni channel engagement features. It offers businesses an all in one solution to engage customers effectively across various touchpoints. One of the key reasons businesses prefer MoEngage is its ability to deliver hyper personalized experience using predictive analytics. Instead of sending generic messages, brands can customize their campaigns based on user preferences, behaviors, and engagement history, leading to higher conversion rates and stronger customer relationships. So, Mo engages A/B testing, AI driven insights, and performance analytics also provide businesses with valuable data to refine their marketing strategies. Lastly, its ability to integrate seamlessly with leading CRM platforms, e commerce platforms makes it a powerful and flexible choice for businesses of all sizes. So, whether you're a running enterprise level marketing team or a growing startup, MoEngage offers the necessary tools to scale engagement efforts and drive business growth. So basically, MoEngage is a powerful and versatile marketing automation platform designed to help businesses personalize their marketing campaigns, optimize customer engagement, and drive retention. With its AI powered segmentation and all of those features, MoEngage provides businesses with everything they need to connect with their audience effectively. So, by leveraging MoEngage's capabilities, businesses can send the right messages to the right audience at the right time, maximizing the impact of their marketing efforts. So if you're ready to take your marketing automation to the next level, MoEngage is a smart choice for businesses looking to enhance customer relationships and drive long-term growth in 2025. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.